Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I am back for Hello Kitty month. I first of all, I just want to thank Christian and Rachel for hosting the Hello Kitty month on PHA Crafters on the group page, and then they've been promoting it throughout their lives and all of that stuff. So thank you guys, because I'm super excited to participate in Hello Kitty month. Like a while back, like earlier this year, Christian was talking to me about Hello Kitty month and how what we were thinking about doing. And so I told her maybe we should do like a hop. So this is very exciting because it's not only a YouTube hop, but it's also an Instagram hop. So we have a listing in the description, so if you haven't visited everybody's projects yet, please go and do so. I am the last stop on the hop, so you should have come to my channel from Erica's channel, who is Scrap Diva 29. So I'm so excited. Erica and all these other awesome crafters have decided to celebrate our love for Hello Kitty. So it's actually Hello Kitty and Friends, and so it can be any like Sanrio kind of character, and it's just any kind of crafty goodness that you want to make. So it doesn't have to be paper related. It could have been like beading or whatever, crochet, anything that anybody was interested in. So I've been working really hard. I've been trying to get my mojo back, and Hello Kitty month was like the perfect way for me to do so. So let me just kind of start by sharing a few of my projects. There's so many things that I wanted to do, so I started sharing some of them a little bit earlier, like not part of this hop. So hopefully you got to see some of those projects. But I also will be doing a giveaway. So my giveaway will be a bunch of Hello Kitty items. I'm sorry, it's only open to US only at this point because of the shipping costs. And so hopefully everybody will be okay with that. But if the main thing that I want you to do is comment here on this post on for the Hello Kitty month blog hop. And I also would like to see if you have done any projects for Hello Kitty month. So I'm gonna leave this open until the end of the month, which is August 2022. And I will then go back and check either Instagram and YouTube for the hashtag PHA 2022 Hello Kitty month. And so if you put a project into that, a Sanrio or Hello Kitty themed project, using that hashtag by the end of the month, and you left a comment here that you're interested in entering the giveaway, then I'll look at all of those entries. So I wanted to kind of coordinate it with participation, but not just that, like also hopefully you guys visited everybody else on the hub. Phew. Okay, so that was a lot of like background information, but anyway, I just wanted to kind of share with you all of the fun things that I came up with. So let me start with this. So this is actually a basket that I purchased from AliExpress over a year ago. I'm not even sure if they still have it available, but I did get the Hello Kitty and the My Melody. So it is an actual basket, like a shopping basket, and you can use it to store whatever. So I've been using it to store ribbons right now, but you can use it, like I said, for anything. And what I really wanted to do was use that as like inspiration for a project that I've been meaning to do for quite a bit of time now. I don't even know where I put the die. Okay, so I did purchase a die from AliExpress. Do I have it in here? And it is actually a shopping, oh yeah, here it is. So it's actually a shopping basket. So I also have the shopping cart in here. I didn't make that yet, but you can actually make like a shopping basket mini album. And so because it reminded me of this, then I decided to try and replicate that. So look what I came up with. Oh my god, you guys, like I'm so excited because I think it came out pretty good. So I actually made a box. So the die doesn't come with this piece here, so you have to just kind of create it on your own. So I just measured out like a 2-inch width for the box, and then you just add on another inch so that you can score about 1/2 inch, and then you just cut. I kind of like mark it where I want the bottom part to be, and then you just glued down the handle. So it's not perfect. Like, I guess if you put a brad here instead, you could then move the handles, but I just wanted to get it done. So I did have to kind of paper piece everything together using various, you saw my Hello Kitty die collection, and so I just kind of used various like eyes and the bow and like whiskers and all of that stuff from various different types of dies, based off of the sizes that I needed. So and then these were like Spellbinders dies that I used, and this was like one of the Hello Kitty with the bow. She was like sitting on the bow, so I just used the bow piece for that. So I think it came out pretty good. Like, here, let me show you. So if you look at like the My Melody, okay, so this one is a little weird because she doesn't have the ears, but I did add the ears because I thought it looked a little weird on this version here. And then the other one, so let's look at this Hello Kitty compared to, it's not bad. Let me try zoom out a little. So it's not bad, right? I mean, you can tell it's Hello Kitty. Oh my god, it's so fun. Okay, so anyway, that was my first set of projects. And then the next thing that I wanted to share, which I really thought this was cool, and you know, I'm really sorry I didn't get to finish because I am getting ready for a trip and house guests and so forth, but these are Pringles cans. Okay, so I'm gonna link below. I can't even remember who it was that I saw, but they did a tutorial on how to make this. So you buy these smaller size Pringle cans. I know you can get the whole, like a pack of it from Costco with the 3 different flavors, and then you just measure out this piece here. I think it was like about 3 1/8 inch, don't quote me on that, and then you just, you know, cut it more like, so if you have a horizontal pattern, then it'll just overlap on the can. And then this piece here, so this is actually those ornaments that you can purchase. I know I got mine on Amazon because I couldn't find it on my local Ben Franklin, but I bought the size that's like, she tells you to buy a 3-inch ball, but I bought the 3.1-inch ball or something like that, and it's just a little bit larger. One of the pieces fits perfectly over the cover, the other piece doesn't. So I have a couple pieces without any partners, but it's okay because this is the main reason why I wanted to use it. So you can actually make a shaker out of it, and I didn't in the video I saw she cut this piece off, but I actually, and sorry I didn't get to finish it, but I do want to hang something from here, like a charm or something. I don't know, I have Hello Kitty beads, and so I'm sure I'll make something that'll be just like a little fun dangle. Okay, so on to the decoration. So I did use Doodlebug paper. This paper is very busy, but I think it kind of works with this project. And then this is that this is Scrap Diva's the bow for the straw, and then I just glued on a little one of my Hello Kitty pieces, and then I doubled it so that it would be more dimensional. So for this piece up here, I did okay, so I had these, I don't know if you guys remember this toy, but it's called a Squinky. So it came in these little round, kind of like vending machine kind of cases, but it was all like Hello Kitties for that particular set that I bought. And so I had saved it like all these years. Like, I think I bought it when my daughter was into it when she was really young, and I saved it all these years thinking I was going to make some kind of Hello Kitty project, and I finally found the perfect project for it. So I found it, I'm like, oh my god, I'm going to use it to decorate my Pringles cans. You can put other stuff in here obviously, but I just wanted to use up my Squinkies. And then so I wanted to kind of like prop it up on something, because if it was just flat on the bottom, it would have been too small. So I wanted to use like Erica's cake die and just use the smallest layer, but it was a little too tall for how tall this Squinky was. So instead I used one of those rosettes that I had purchased. I think it was from April Oleander. And so I just covered up the middle with a heart, and then I glued Hello Kitty onto that piece. Then I glued it onto, I had to kind of like use a 3-inch circle punch to cover the bottom part so that you don't see the Pringles popping up, the Pringles label. Then you glue this rosette on top of it. And I think it came out perfect in terms of like the height and everything. And then so that it wasn't too distracting, I just used like iridescent colored glitter. So I think it came out really cute. This one I went with like rainbow and purples and pinks. And then this one, because I used Hello Kitty and Mimi, who is her sister, on as the main the main, what is it called, focal point. Then I used, because they're in red and yellow, then I used more red and yellows on this one. And I think it came out really cute. Like, I really like how these came out. You can easily use them as favors. You don't have to use them full. Like, if you have used Pringle cans, then you can just wash it out and then put other stuff in there that you want. Like, it doesn't have to be food stuff. So anyway, I think that was like super exciting and fun to find a new and different type of project. So I'm like proud of all of that. Okay, so my next project is, am I gonna share this one? Should I do it separate? I'll just share this now. Okay, so this is actually a project following Brittany BB's Crafts. Oh gosh, what happened here? So something happened. Oh, it's not sticking. Okay, I have to stick it on better. Okay, so but anyway, I was following Brittany's tutorial, and it's for like a fold down cosmetic case or something like that. So I will link her tutorial down below. And I've been eyeing this. I've been trying to remember to do it, and I just keep forgetting. And I thought this was like the perfect opportunity to try it out. So I did make it into a shaker. I just like sewed onto a piece of cardstock, and then I added just like some iridescent glitter there. And then I did use this larger Hello Kitty piece because it's good for using your larger die cuts. And then, sorry, it's kind of wonky because the tape that I use is junk. So I need to like re-glue this back on. So, I'm super upset and disappointed about that. Okay, so anyway, I kind of messed up on like, you know, how to like unfold it and everything. So just be patient with me. Okay, so it opens up, but it's supposed to hang this way. So let me try and unfold it nicely so everything doesn't fall out. Okay, there you go. Okay, so here I made a pocket. It's like acetate, and then I just stuck in a lot of like Hello Kitty die cuts so that I can give that to the recipient. And then on this side I did make smaller pockets, or more dimensional pockets I should say. So earlier I shared these, what are they called? The soda, ice cream soda, with the characters on there, and I could fit 2 into this pocket here. And then I did make 2 smaller pockets. So in the smaller pockets I added in the macaron and the rainbow die cuts, and then I also tried to make these. So these are actually it's just a cat shaker. So as you can tell, her ears are a little wonky, but I still think you can figure out that it's Hello Kitty. So I just decided to include it here. And so you can use the cat shaker, just die cut it out in white. This one is very thin because what I ended up doing was I just sewed the cover, the acetate cover, onto the backing, and then on this one I used the foam tape instead. So this just different variations. Sometimes you want it thinner, and then sometimes you want it more shake or dimensional, I guess, to shake. So anyway, that is that project. So that was fun. I do have to now fix it because I'm realizing that I did mess up on it. So I need to go put that back in repairs. Okay, and then I came up with this. So this is from Natalie's tutorial. So she's actually participating in this hop. Hi, Nat. So she gifted me last year. We did a swap. We did a Halloween swap. And so she made me one of these cute backpacks using like the doodlebug papers, and it was like a Halloween theme, and it was like super adorable. And so I wanted to take that idea and make it into Hello Kitty. So this is what I came up with. So I had a little bit of trouble because of like the size of the fold over, the flap, and like trying to still make it look like Hello Kitty, but I think it came out pretty good. I did use the bow like from Nicole Silhouette. That's the Hello Kitty bow that's been coming in very handy for these types of projects. And then with these I just kind of die cut it out of another die, and then these are like small oval punch that I have. I did, die cut the word Hello Kitty. I have a die using that, and I die cut it out in gold, and then I just mounted it on acetate so that it would show through whatever, like this one is the heart paper. So I didn't put anything inside the pockets yet, like I didn't fill it, but I think it came out like super adorable. So I am going to be gifting this in a swap to somebody. So here's the back. This is the strap. So I just used the same paper that I've been using throughout all of these Hello Kitty projects, and I did line the inside using that. So anyway, I just thought that it was just to be able to show you different versions of it. So I guess my style is trying to like make things out of like Hello Kitty into like these things. I don't know. It's not like using like this where you're gonna necessarily use like the die cut. In fact, I wanted to do that with this too. I wanted to make it My Melody, but it just didn't work out. So anyway, I'm super excited that this worked out. So look, Nat, I'm so excited. Like totally inspired by Natalie. And I'm so excited that I was able to like pull it off. Okay, and now for the last item. And so this has been a while in the making. I've been wanting to make this for a very long time, and you know, I've had some glitches along the way, but I finally was able to finish it. This is a special, it's for someone special who has been very patient with me, so I'm going to be sending it out soon. So I did make the Ferris wheel. Oh my god, it's so adorable, you guys. Look at that. Okay, so just some tips. I did put some extra washers like DM suggests in her video, and the reason why I had to do that is because I added the pom-poms. So if I didn't add the pom-poms or anything dimensional, I think it would have been easier for the Ferris wheel to twirl, but sometimes the pom-poms would get in the way. So for added insurance, I did add in those washers there. Okay, so this is one side. I just kept it kind of simple. I just used some Lawn Fawn papers that kind of coordinated, and then I already had this die cut already made, and then I did use these larger rosettes that I got from Solo Craft. So I was finally able to use that. So on the other side, I used the cupcake one with the sisters. That's Kitty and Mimi. And I just used that same color scheme, which is that teal and pink and light blue kind of stuff. And I think it came out like super adorable. So I hope, you know, the recipient enjoys what I made. And, you know, thank you so much for being patient with me taking so long. But I'm hoping that this makes up for it. So I was super excited with all of this. It was a lot of work to put together, but I think it's like totally worth it. So if you haven't already gotten this die, you can get it on Amazon or on the KF's Crafts site on AliExpress. So I hope you guys enjoyed all of our Hello Kitty month crafty projects. That was super exciting, and it was very motivating for me to now like get back to crafting. So I hope you guys enjoyed our hop. Please go give the other ladies some love if you haven't already visited their either their Instagrams or their YouTube channels, and please leave a comment so that they know that you came to watch. And again, for my giveaway, if you can leave a comment on this post and just say that you're interested in the giveaway, and then I will be double cross-checking it with those that that do a Hello Kitty project during this month. So you have until the end of August to post something. If you've already posted something, I will consider that as fine. But use that hashtag hashtag PHA 2022 Hello Kitty month, and whatever I can pull up from that or from Instagram on YouTube or Instagram, then I can then make sure that you're entered into my drawing. So as you've been seeing, I do collect a lot of Hello Kitty stuff. So it's gonna be a mix of like all different types of Sanrio characters. It'll be some Daiso goodies and some, you know, random stuff I found at other places. So, and I am going to Las Vegas soon, so if I pick up more stuff from the Hello Kitty cafe there, then I will try to include some of those goodies in this giveaway. Okay, so again, it has to be US only. Sorry for my international subbies, but the cost to mail stuff is just too high right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed our hop. Please keep on creating using Hello Kitty stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!